What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I feel like every time I get on here, I'm always like going to do some shit to the bike, which isn't bad, but it's trial and error, you know, trial and error. I put a new tire on, but I don't like how it feels, so I bought another one. And one of my boys just got a tire machine, so I will be his first customer. I got these straps. Let me strap it and see. I'm gonna do that first gear pull real quick. And we're about to pull up to his house right now. We'll get back with you guys in a bit. Alright, so we made it, and here is the tire machine. This thing looks fucking cool, not gonna lie. It's nice, small, compact. I'll always go with these usually. This is a 190, I believe, 190/50. So it's gonna feel a lot better. It's what I'm used to. This boy is a bully. But yeah, we are gonna get at it. Cleaning out his garage to, in the future, work on other people's bikes, you know what I mean? So if you're in the Fresno area, hit your boy up and we can get you going. First off, let's admire the Black Mamba. It's my boy John right here. Hey, calling out any heavyweight. You know what I mean? That's how we're getting down. You see the Niles bottle? We're not playing around. But anyway, back to the Black Mamba. Look at this bike. Carbon, carbon, carbon. Stretched out. Look at that blue one of the titanium. A little shorty acro on there.
Man, don't show him too much.
I'll just show him the Fresno Fast Boy sticker in the front. That's 10 horsepower right there.
You want to be fast, that's what you need.
Yes, sir. This bike is beautiful, man. Beautiful. Then you got Trixie right here. She's getting a butt reduction. So I also got this right here. I have the same one in the back, but I'm gonna put this one on. It's a 41. Hopefully it gives me the answers I'm looking for. We are in business, boys. So we got the sprocket on, and we got. Oh, I should actually go straight. Okay, yeah. I like the way this is feeling, boys. I really do. Yes, sir. She's feeling real nice right now. Got a GoPro? Yeah, the GoPro too. Maybe he's vlogging. I'm about to fly past his ass right now though. next step is going to get this this MR12, and then putting some MR12 in the bike and going to see what that's hitting for. I am on the way to test out the MR12. That shit smells fire. There's some tacos right there. I can't even smell the race fuel because of them tacos, boy. Oh, you can feel that. You can feel that for sure. Wow. This is why people, my bike just feels a little bit more aggressive. So this is why people use MR12. I get it now. He's checking out the bikes. He's fucking with it. It feels more aggressive. Yeah, it feels more aggressive. Let me strap that motherfucker down. I think my clutch is slipping.